Hey there, gentlemen. Today, we're diving into the world of men's style and uncovering 13 things that women absolutely adore. From timeless classics to modern trends, mastering these elements can take your style game to the next level and leave a lasting impression. So grab your notepad, because you won't want to miss these essential tips. Thing 1. Confidence. First things first, confidence is key. Women are drawn to men who exude self-assurance and carry themselves with pride. Confidence is not just about what you wear, but how you wear it. So own your style with confidence and watch heads turn. Thing 2. Well-fitted clothes. Fit is everything. Women appreciate men who pay attention to the fit of their clothes and opt for pieces that flatter their physique. Whether it's a tailored suit or a casual t-shirt, prioritize fit to elevate your look. Thing 3. Good grooming habits. Grooming matters. Women appreciate men who take care of themselves and pay attention to grooming details. From a well-kept hairstyle to a clean-shaven face or a nicely trimmed beard, good grooming habits go a long way in enhancing your overall appearance. Thing 4. Attention to detail. It's all in the details. Women notice the little things, so pay attention to details like cufflinks, watches, or pocket squares to add a touch of sophistication to your look. These subtle accents can elevate your style and show that you care about your appearance. Thing 5. Personal style. Find your signature style. Women are attracted to men who have a distinct sense of style and aren't afraid to express themselves through their clothing choices. Whether you prefer classic elegance or streetwear chic, embrace your personal style and let it shine. Thing 6. Versatility. Versatility is key. Women appreciate men who can effortlessly transition from casual to formal attire without missing a beat. Invest in versatile pieces that can be dressed up or down to suit any occasion and showcase your adaptability. Thing 7. Attention to footwear. Don't forget about footwear. Women pay attention to shoes, so make sure yours are on point. Invest in quality footwear that complements your outfit and reflects your personal style. Whether it's classic leather Oxfords or stylish sneakers, choose shoes that make a statement. Thing 8. Quality over quantity. Quality always trumps quantity. Women value men who invest in quality pieces that stand the test of time. Instead of filling your wardrobe with fast fashion trends, opt for timeless classics and well-made garments that will last for years to come. Thing 9. Confidence in color. Don't be afraid to embrace color. Women love men who aren't afraid to experiment with color and add a pop of personality to their outfits. Whether it's a bold shirt, colorful accessories, or vibrant sneakers, injecting color into your wardrobe can make you stand out in a crowd. Thing 10. Effortless style. Effortless style is irresistible. Women appreciate men who have a natural sense of style and don't look like they're trying too hard. Aim for a relaxed yet polished look that exudes confidence and charm. Thing 11. Attention to seasonal trends. Stay current with seasonal trends. Women notice men who stay updated with the latest fashion trends and incorporate them into their wardrobe in a subtle and stylish way. Keep an eye on seasonal colors, patterns, and textures to keep your look fresh and modern. Thing 12. Individuality. Be true to yourself. Women are attracted to men who embrace their individuality and aren't afraid to stand out from the crowd. Don't be afraid to break fashion rules and add your own unique twist to your style. Thing 13. Effort and consistency. Lastly, effort and consistency are key. Women appreciate men who put effort into their appearance and consistently strive to look their best. Remember, style is a journey, not a destination, so keep refining your look and experimenting with new trends. And there you have it, 13 things that women absolutely love in men's style. By mastering these elements and embracing your personal style, you can leave a lasting impression and make a statement wherever you go. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell for more videos like this. Here's to elevating your style and leaving a lasting impression. Happy styling!